So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. The weather guessers got it pretty close, I think. They were calling for 8 to 12 inches of snow here, and I think we're right at about 8, maybe 9 inches right now, and it's still snowing. So I think they hit this one pretty good. I'm out here this morning just kind of cleaning up my driveway right now, and then I have a whole bunch of driveways to do. Neighbor Cliff's, my mom's, my sister's down at the brick house, and 2 other neighbors. We'll probably break this up into a couple different videos. What I'd like to do is kind of show people, you know, plowing with a side-by-side, and I'll get the BX out. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that right now and clean up this parking lot right here by the building. I've got a rear blade on it and a pusher box. And then for my sister's driveway and my mom's driveway, we'll use the MX5400 and the rear blade. Their driveways are pretty treacherous. My mom's is pretty steep. They're both narrow. They're both real long. So I think I'll go down there with the big tractor and just a rear blade here later on today. That may be the next video. We'll have to see how this goes. But it's beautiful out here. If I get everything done today, I think I would like to go out with the flintlock a little bit this afternoon. Today's the last day of flintlock season, and it would be a beautiful day to go out for a hike in the woods. But it's going to have to quit snowing because I have enough trouble getting the gun to go off when it's dry out. So with all this snow, I'm going to have some trouble getting the gun to fire if I need it to. But we'll see how it goes. If nothing else, I'll just go for a hike out there in the woods. But first off, I'm using the Kubota Sidekick right now, and it's working really well. I did say the other day where we don't really have a need for a blower around here because we don't get that much snow. To tell you the truth, a blower would be nice on a day like today. There is quite a bit of snow, but with the Sidekick, I'm able to plow up the driveway as well in 8 or 9 inches of snow, which is pretty good. What I need to do is get this area cleaned up. I'll probably do that later on once it's done snowing, but I'm going to get the BX in here and clean all this stuff out of here and make a parking spot. We are taking a little break from the snow plowing until it quits snowing. Check this out right here. Heated driveway. That's when you know you've made it right there, when you have a heated driveway. But anyway, the hunt man, he's ready for a little trip to Sheets. So we'll run over here and we'll come back in a little bit and finish up at our place. And it looks like the township truck is off the road here. The Jeep does pretty good in the snow. It's more of an off-roader though. Like if I really had to get somewhere, you know, like Hannah's Crosstrek or Levi and Kate, they've got a Subaru Forester. Those things just kind of stick to the road. But one thing nice about the Jeep is if you do slide off the road, you can probably get yourself out, especially with the winch we have on the front of this one. I don't think the Sheets plow guy showed up. All right, just got back to the house. I think all the snow is about over. I'm gonna get the Sidekick back out. We'll go over and plow neighbor Cliff's now. And then when I come back from there, I'll probably grab the tractor, the big tractor, and go down and do my mom's place. And I'll just wait till later on today to get all this cleaned up. I just wanted to get it opened up here this morning. Change of plans. I was going to use the Sidekick, but it is cold and windy out there. And inside this heated cab is a lot nicer, to tell you the truth. So we're going to head over to neighbor Cliff's right now. There's a bunch of snow at the end of his driveway from all the plow trucks. We'll kind of break through that first, and then we'll head up the driveway. I got the rear blade on and I have it offset. It works out pretty good that way. right, got neighbor Cliff's driveway all done. He had the whole parking area up by the house all shoveled out and his cars moved, which made it nice. I did a decent job there leaving most of the stone. The ground's pretty well frozen, but if it's not, you do got to be careful with those blades because it'll peel it right up and put it over in the lawn. But yeah, came out pretty good. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. The next one will be down at my mom's place and my sister's place. Like I said, their driveways are a little treacherous, but I'll take the MX5400 down, the rear blade, we'll get that knocked out. Hopefully don't get stuck in a ditch or slide over the hill, and that should be good. But don't forget, send your pictures in to pics, P-I-C-S, OWTM@gmail.com of you and your tractor, skid loader, riding mower, farm tractor, doesn't matter, and we will include them in a video. And also January 28th, Melissa and I will be at Messig's open house in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. That's January 28th, 1:30 p.m. And t-shirts, Melissa's in the house right now cranking out orders. If you want a nice shirt, we have long sleeves as well. There will be a link in the description. So I think that's about it. I appreciate y'all being here, I really do. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends. Thanks.